Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Narex FX channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I was able to catch up with this buy trade, like this buy entry. So this was a signal I shared on my status now. Let's go down to the video. I'm going to be explaining in details how I was able to catch up with this whole bullish move here, and I'll be telling you some key things you need to know and how you can also do something like this. So let's just get down to the video itself. So the whole stuff or the whole setup was actually seen on 5 minutes. Actually I'm not, I don't really have the full access to using the whole replay stuff here on TradingView, so I'm gonna be able to do that replay stuff here. But let me just tell you what I saw. You can see here I marked out this level here. Let me introduce this arrow. So you can see where I had on the 5 minutes here, I had this shift of market structure, this very shift here. Let me unlock it. So this was where I had my shifts of market structure, and this market structure happened here on the lower time frame, 5 minutes. And if you notice, there was something I also liked about the market structure. Let me just take out this stuff, so it's be like I'm doing the analysis for real here as a whole. So after this shift in market structure here, I saw that it happened with an impulsive move down to this level here, and I was able to mark out another BOS. This is a BOS, this is also another BOS, a break of structure. And before this BOS, price actually covered this imbalance here, like price covered this whole impulsive candlestick at this level. Because you can see here, price covered this this impulsive bullish candlestick to show you that price have completely played out here on the market. And so I also had this level here, this was my liquidity level. So if peradventure we trade down, maybe in the nearest future, I just know that price is coming to take out this liquidity. This is by USDT. So actually this is how I did the analysis. So this is a liquidity here, this is an order block on the 5 minutes. So it was more like a good setup, and we had a shift in market structure with an impulsive move here. We even went further to create 2 break of structure. So I was very sure about this setup. So let's go down to like the 15-minute time frame where I had my entry. So on the 15-minute time frame, guys, on the 15-minute time frame, you can see the impulsive move here. You have a big shift in market structure too on the 15-minute time frame, from this level down to here, down to this level. So it's a very good one to know that price have completely changed from down path. Then secondly, I still had this level as my liquidity level, just in case anything wants to happen, because price might be funny sometimes. I want to trade down to take out this liquidity level before going up. So this was what I saw. Now actually I've not gone to the 1 hour yet, so seeing this impulsive move and series of break of structure in the 5 minutes, it was already all I needed to go into this trade. And I know that we had another block here, and anything below this other block was coming for this liquidity. So I actually entered the trade. I entered the trade from this level here. It's my position. So I entered the trade from this level here, from this level, after that shift in market structure, and I saw this impulsive move. Then I was going to trade my stop loss to this level, to this other block, but I didn't want anything to come and just happen to this price action here or spoil my trade. So I had to take it lower on bit here where I had this liquidity, just in case price come down to take out liquidity. I was still in the market, and my initial target was to be around this old high where I had this liquidity here. That was like my first target, which I saw price around here. But I also looked for further target here, and you can see I had further liquidity levels down to this point here. This was another good high on the 15 minutes. It was like my second target. So like my second target here. So that was like my second target, and you can see how price went down to the second level here. Then this other place here was like another block. So if I'm actually trading, I'll be trading down to another block, or down to this other block, to at most to another block to at most 50%. But I just had to I was able to sight this FVG here on the 15 minutes, so I just had to use that as my take profit here. This FVG, see price retest at this FVG here. So I saw that FVG, so I had to reduce my take profit around that level because I don't want to get stopped out when price come to retest from the FVG level. Now let's go to 1 hour here before the trade. Another thing that boosts my confidence in leaving the trade, because it was not just easy watching this trade retrace down to almost my stop loss. I checked on the 1 hour here. On the 1 hour I saw something very nice here, which was a fair value gap, an FVG. You can see this FVG here. This FVG here from this level down to this level, and see how price balanced up around the 50%. The middle of this line here is like the 50%, so price actually balanced up here, and it was very conducive for me, because when you see price balanced up around the 50 level of your FVG, it means that it's going to cover up the gap and go up again. So after then, I was just happy about the whole price action, because it was actually going to give you the good price delivery, because there was nothing going to stop back this price. It did not ignore the FVG and everything. So that was how I was able to catch up with this trade here on buy. So seeing how price balanced up here on the 1 hour was like another boost for me to to keep on going. And you can see what is actually doing here. It's actually trying to fill up this FVG too. It's actually trying to fill up this FVG, which it did. Look at here. This is the initial FVG, although it did not fill it up to the 50% level, but it did fill it to some extent here. So that's just what I saw before taking this trade, and I'll be bringing up more videos on FVG on entries like this. So do well to subscribe and follow for more videos. Thank you.